Hi, I'm Coach Ty, the creator of the Gut Method. Have you been telling yourself that life is so crazy right now that you just want to start feeling like yourself again, but you just can't seem to stick to anything? If that is you, listen. It's not that you're too busy, it's that you're stressed, you're overwhelmed, and you're exhausted from all that you're already doing. You're trying to be everything for everyone, and to top it off, you're a perfectionist. From the work you do, to how you show up for your family, to the next diet you decide to do for your next vacation. Girl, you go hard. Sometimes too hard, and I get it. I too used to have the disease to please, and it left me burnt out. Nutrition? Who had time to focus on that? I was lucky if I made it to Dunkin' Donuts in time to get my coffee before I had to run to work, and let alone have time to make a workout fit into my already jam-packed schedule. My idea of a good workout was showing up to the gym to run off all the bad food I ate that past weekend. And look, I'm tired of this cycle. I do not want that for you anymore. We have to stop running ourselves in circles because what used to work isn't working anymore. So in this free workshop, I'm gonna be walking you through my 3-step plan on how to eat guilt-free and without worrying about the number on the scale. You're gonna start feeling confident in your skin because you'll no longer be worried about if you're bloated or not. We're gonna get to the root cause of your bloating and teach you how to reduce inflammation and start balancing your hormones so that your clothes will start fitting the way you want them to. And by the end of this workshop, you're gonna have dead that wake and work routine, like gone, finito, no more. The one that's been keeping you feeling like you don't have enough time for you. Gone. I want you to know that this is all possible for you. It is possible for you to still be that strong, independent working woman who shows up and honors her body and the food that she uses to nourish it. And I'm going to teach you how. So go ahead and click the link to join this free workshop.